Hello everyone, welcome to your coding paradise, and today we will discuss about the decorators in Python. Let's create a new Python file with name decorators.py, like deck.py. Okay, so let's create a function, def function 1. What it will do, it will simple print do subscribe to coding paradise. Okay, just chill guys. I know you all already subscribed my channel. Okay, so just chill. So let's call this function function1. Okay, sorry, I'm not calling this function, I'm just assigning this function into function2. Okay, in another a variable or in another function. Or what if I just call function2? So what it will do, let's check what it will do. It's simply printing do subscribe to coding paradise. Okay, obviously because we just copy the code of function 1 into function 2, so it will simply print do subscribe to coding paradise. Okay, but what if I delete function 1 before calling function 2? So it will print these things or not? It will print do subscribe to coding paradise or not? Let's see. Let's run this code and it will simply printing do subscribe to coding paradise because it doesn't matter you are deleting any function or not, but you have a copy of function 1 into function 2, okay, as a function 2, and when you call function 2 it will simply run code and it will simply print do subscribe to coding paradise. Okay, so let's comment these lines and just make another function def with name. Actually I want to create a function that will return any other function, so I just take name func return func create. Okay, and I'm passing number as an argument. Or if number double equals to 1, if number double equals to 1, then it will return a function like print. It will return print. If number double equals to 0, then it will return int. Okay, many functions. So let's call this function f funcreate. Okay, I'm giving here 1, so let's call this and a equals to function 1, then print a. So what it will do, let's check it out. It is simply printing built-in function print. Okay, obviously because I just give the choice 1 here, and when it will check number double equals to 1, it will simply return print, and when I print a, so it will simply print built-in function print. You can write any other function like sum or any other built-in function. Okay, so it will simply printing what built-in function sum. If I give choice here 0, so it will simply print class int. Okay, so you can return a function, using another function. Here I am returning some int or any other function, like with the use of function create or funcreate function. Okay, so let's comment these lines and let's make another function named executor. Okay, so what it will do, it takes as an argument a function. Okay, here I'm returning a function using another function, but here I'm giving as an argument a function to a function, and what it will do, it will simply call our function. So let's run executor. Okay, I'm giving print function as an argument to my executor function. Okay, or if let's print a hello Kshitij. Okay, or hello coding. So what it will do, let's check it. It simply print hello coding. Okay, obviously, so you can pass a function as an argument to another function too in Python. Okay, so these are the basic two concepts of fundamental concept of functions. So I hope you are clear with these two concepts. So let's come to the main point, decorator. Okay, so what is decorator? Let's create a function decorator. def DAG. Okay, DAG dot find. It will take another function as an argument, like my function DAG is taking function func as an argument. Okay, another function as an argument, and in it I just make another function def let's name it execute now. Okay, execute now. And what it will do, it will print executing. Okay, and now function call, now it will print executed. Okay, and in the last it will return execute now. Okay, so what is happening here, guys? Here I just create a function DAG which is taking func as an func function as an argument. Okay, it will return simply execute now. Okay, execute now, and then execute now. What will execute now do? It will simply print executing, then execute our function func, then print executed. Okay, so what it is doing, it is simply printing executing before the execution of our function, and it will print executed after the execution of our function. So let's create another function with name where is Kshitij. Okay, where is Kshitij? I know this name is odd for the function, just I know. Okay, so what it is doing, it is simply printing Kshitij is in coding paradise. Okay, coding paradise. Okay, what if I call this function where is Kshitij? So it is printing Kshitij is in coding paradise. Obviously it is printed, there is nothing new, there is nothing new in it. Okay, but if I do some changes here, like DAG and where is Kshitij, if I passed where is Kshitij function in DAG and assign this into where is Kshitij, so now if I call where is Kshitij, so it is not now the function where is Kshitij. Let's see what it will do. It is printing executing Kshitij is in coding paradise executed. So what it is doing, it is simply call DAG and it will take where is Kshitij function as an argument, and it returning execute now. So execute now will print executing before my function where is Kshitij, and then execute where is Kshitij function, then print executed after the execution of our function. So the decorator in Python, but this is the decorator concept in Python. But you will say, sir, how there is no @ concept in it? Okay, so in decorators we call @ function name with @ function name. So yeah, you can call either you, like if I just comment this line, and if I just write @ here function name, or my function name is here DAG. So if I run this code, it will printing same, it will printing same. If you have a confusion like executing, okay, so it will printing same. So either you can write @DAG or either you can write this line. Okay, so this is the simply decorator in the in Python, and where you can use it if suppose you have many functions and you want to do some operations before this function or after the execution of this function. So you can write a function like DAG. Okay, in it you can use operations. Here I'm just printing executing. You can use any other operation, like if you want to connect a server before execution of this function, so you can make you can write a code here to connect the server, and after execution of function you can close the server connection. Okay, so what it is doing, it is decorating our function. Okay, if I just where is Kshitij, if I just run where is Kshitij, so it is what is DAG is doing, DAG is decorating our where is Kshitij function. Okay, with executing and executed or with some operations. That's why its name is decorator in Python. So it is a simple use in Python. Thank you so much guys, and stay happy, keep coding.